welcome back. So we have saw this in our previous introduction part. We have studied of plant kingdom. That's in biological classification we see these five. In biological classification we see these five: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia, Plant kingdom, and these are the five important kingdoms. And in plant kingdom we see algae, bryophyta, pteridophyte, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So this was the previous. In this today we will discuss about algae. So we saw these classifications: old classification, artificial classification, and the scientist Linnaeus, Aristotle. Natural classification system we saw, and phylogenetic classification we have studied. We have already studied this in our previous session. If you have not saw, in the I button there will be video, you go and check that. And we have studied taxonomy, different types of taxonomy. So today we are discussing the algae. We are into the lesson. So the points I have mentioned here, these are enough to cover the whole chapter. Or okay, these are enough to cover the points. Every points are there, but you need to read NCERT and you will catch these points. So here only the points are I have mentioned only points. The first, thalloid. Algae are thalloid, means they don't have real root, stem and leaves, but they don't have real roots, real stem, real leaf, and we cannot differentiate which is root, which is leaf and which is stem. Everyone looks like similar, everything looks same, as everything looks like leaf or like something. Everything we can't differentiate it. Thalloid, that is the meaning of thalloid. And aquatic, they are found in aquatic, in freshwater, marine water. FM, freshwater, marine water. Seen in moist stones. These are mostly seen in moist. So algae need moist place, like moist stone, soil, wood. When various place we can see algae. So associate with other organisms. These associate, or we can say combine. These algae will combine with other, like lichen. You can remember the example as lichen. Lichen means these algae are grown on fungi or grow with fungi, is called as lichen. Associate, when algae associate with it is a fungi, it is called as lichen. Okay, remember these points. Highly variable, these are highly variable, means these algae are very different types, like colonial form. Example for colonial for volvax. Volvax is an example for colonial form. And filamentous form, Ulothrix. Ulothrix is an example for filamentous. And form calbs. Calbs means 100 meter. This will grow 100 meter. And large body. This will have large body. And we will see the reproduction in algae. How is the reproduction in algae? So we can see vegetative reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Okay, these types of reproduction we can see in this. And in vegetative reproduction, so here we will see. So in vegetative we can see fragmentation. So it's fragmentation. So in vegetative we can see fragmentation. And in sexual reproduction you see isogamous, aniso and oogamous. These are the types of sexual reproduction. And in asexual, zoospores. So remember, in vegetative fragmentation, in sexual, in sexual there are three types. In asexual, zoospores. So in sexual reproduction, isogamous. Isogamous means same body, same structure. This is in sexual, iso means two male and female are similar size and non-motile. They don't have any fragments. They are non-motile and they are iso. They are known as iso. And aniso means different types. We can see different types. Means their body structure is size is different. Body size is different, and they are non-motile or maybe motile. Non-motile combined with motile, fuse with motile. Big one fuse with small. This is man. Here both size in iso both are same. Size is same and size same. Remember this much. In iso they are same. In aniso they are different. One small and one big. In oogamous, so in iso example Ulothrix and Spirogyra. US. In iso you remember US, Ulothrix and Spirogyra. And in aniso Eudorina. Eudorina is an example for aniso. And oogamous. In oogamous means one male with one male gamete with one big female gamete. That female gamete is non-motile. This male is motile. So this is oogamous. So example Volvax and Fucus. So we will see the economical importance of this algae. How this is useful algae. This plant, how is it is useful for man. So it is useful in many way. For man it is useful for many way. So it is economically important. So you have here you can see carbon fixation. So these algae are present in many areas. So earth is 3/4 of the part of earth is covered by water. So it is aquatic plant, and so it is present in water. So this we can say these are present in many areas. These are present in many areas. Used as food. So and carbon fixation, here you have to remember carbon fixation means it will release oxygen. It will release more amount of oxygen, and it takes carbon dioxide, and but the oxygen will be in dissolved form. It will be in dissolved form. Used as food. It is used as food. And here used as food, there are examples you can see in NCERT. And Gelidium and Gracilaria, preparing gels. This Gelidium algae and Gracilaria algae are used in preparing gels like ice cream and gels we eat. So in that type of gels we see Gelidium and Gracilaria. So chlorella and spirulina. Chlorella and spirulina used as food supplement by space travelers, and means these are highly rich in protein and vitamins. So there is no necessity of taking food. There is no need of taking food. These are available in the form of capsules or tablets. So in that form we can take this. And so these are used in space, though in space they can't eat food. So they take this chlorella. This chlorella is unicellular algae, and this is taken, and these capsules or these tablets are available in everywhere. So these are the points in carbon fixation. Used as food. Gelidium and Gracilaria prepare gels. Chlorella and spirulina, these are rich in protein and vitamins, so used as food supplements. So this was about algae, and today here we will end the video and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.